A very warm greetings to all, and today I'm here, Joyson Classes, Assistant Professor in MBA University, and I'm in the School of Pharmaceutical Sciences Department, and today I'm here to present you about the various glasswares that are used in pharma analysis lab, the pharma analysis of first semester B Pharmacy. Today we'll be focused on a basic thing about the glasswares, because many of the students doesn't know about the glasswares to which they are doing their laboratory work. So I think this would be a correct time to tell you about the various glasswares that are used in the laboratory of pharma analysis. Because these glasswares, maybe some of them or most of them will be used in the coming years in organic chemistry lab, in medicinal chemistry lab, and various other labs. Let me introduce to you this glassware that I have here. So this is known as the volcanic flask, and it has a stopper, and it is of 100 ml. It's also available in 250 ml as well, and in 500 ml as well. So this is a bigger one of the volcanic flask, and it is also available in 1000 ml and 2000 ml as well. This is a bigger version of the volcanic flask, which is of 2000 ml, and this would be known as the conical flask. It is used for titration, n numbers of titration. It is acid-base titration, redox titration, gravimetry titration, precipitation titration, all of those titration. This is specifically used. But for iodine titration, we use the iodine flask. It is similar to the conical flask, but it is similar to the conical flask, but in iodine flask we do have the stopper and a little bit of more rarity, right? It is of 250 ml, because iodine reactions are many of the times are not direct reactions, so we need to put some of the chemicals directly and then shake it well. So in that condition, we use stopper to shake all the chemicals that we have included in it. So that is why it is called iodine flask. And next would be this. I think all of you know the test tubes, and which is on the test tube stand. So this is a test tube. And this is a measuring cylinder. Whatever you measure, specifically the liquid, we use the measuring cylinder. This is also of different measurements. Availability of the measurements are different. This is also available in many other mLs, which is 50 ml, 100 ml, or maybe 1000 ml as well. It reaches up to 1000 ml. Yeah. So. And next would be the density bottle. It's called density bottle. If you want to take the density of any liquid, density formula is mass upon volume. If you want to take out the density of any liquid chemical, then this would be right thing. It is called density bottle. Next is the funnel, and this is basically used for the filtration purpose, as the filtration assembly, but also it is also used for pouring out the lots of volumes into maybe into some other thing, that would be the period, and this is called the pipette. pipette. It is of 1 ml, and if you want to accurately measure any volume and introducing some other solvent so that we can get a right result, in that case we use the pipette instead of the measuring cylinder, because pipette would be more accurate than the measuring cylinder. This is called the watch glass. If you want to see anything, anything means the nature of any solid material, maybe crystalline or amorphous. You can take it in the watch glass and you can watch it. So this is a watch glass. Burette. So we have a burette of 50 ml. So rather we use here, if you want to pour the known reagent into the burette for titration purpose, and make sure to close the knob at that time. So that's how it can be used. This one more thing which would not be used in the farm analysis lab, B.Pharm first SEM, but in the later labs. So this is called the chromatography chamber and TLC chamber, more precisely. TLC is thin layer chromatography, and we have TLC slab in which you can pour the silica gel on it, and we should make sure that it should be evenly poured. The thickness of the silica gel should not be more than 200 micrometer, and we mark a point here after spreading the silica gel over it, as it will act as a stationary phase, and the solvent in it will act as a mobile phase. And then whatever sample we have to take, we have to mark a point here. How much sample currently we can mark the point, and as and when we dip in it, we see through the capillary action the solvent is coming up, and then if it reaches till here, that is 75%, then we'll take out and then measure. We do have the formula as well, but this is something which is for the higher classes, for the B.Pharm first SEM students. So I'll be covering it more precisely in that time. For now, we should know the basic things: the conical flask, the funnel, the beaker, the watch glass, the burette, the iodine flask, the volumetric flask, the test tubes. These are the basic things that we should know. The balance, which should be used, the butter paper. Without butter paper, we should not take the weight of any chemical, because it would be idle to use butter paper with tear at 0 mg. This video is only for B.Pharm first SEM students who are very much new to the laboratories. I found students, they reach second year or maybe third year, but they do not know the name of those glasswares that they are using from the first SEM itself. So I thought to make this video to clarify the things about the glasswares, so that they can be remembered by the time they reach to the fourth year. So that's all. Thank you.
Joyson Classes. We provide you with valuable and up-to-date knowledge about the pharmacy education. We create entertaining yet informative videos on topics such as chemistry of drugs, biochemical reaction, and much more. Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon and join our mission to make understanding pharmacy easier for everyone. Like, share, and comment on our videos. We look forward to hearing from you.
Joyson Classes.
The best for best.